welcome. Today in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you that the device comes with a charger brick inside the box. So first I'll just open the box, and here, as you can see, we got some paperwork. And here is, yes, as can you see, we got here the original HTC charger brick inside the box, with here on the back side with all the specs of our charge. So that's how it looks. As can you see, the HTC comes with the charger brick inside the box. And thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.